So if your Roku remote is not pairing or you're struggling to pair with your TV, here's a few things that we need to check. First, we need to make sure that the actual batteries inside the remote are good. Because, pairing does require a little bit of energy. So if our batteries are bad, then it's just not going to work. Now, if that doesn't work, or if the batteries are good and you're still not pairing, we're going to reset it. Okay. To reset this remote, all you got to do is take out the batteries and literally just let it sit for a minute or two. And do the same thing with the actual Roku device. Unplug it and let it sit for about a minute or so. And that's going to help kind of disperse any electrical buildup that could be causing the issue, right? So on my remote, to pair it, it's the home and the back button. On some remotes, there's an actual pair button inside of the battery compartment, but not mine. And to pair it, you would press both of these until that light starts to blink. There it goes. And then it does take a second. And then on the screen, it's going to say pairing remote. There it goes, pairing remote. And now it is paired back. So that's going to be most of your issues. Now, the good thing about Roku is these remotes are not expensive to replace. So I will put a link in the description where you can get a new remote because, if that doesn't work, there might be something internally wrong with it that's causing the issue. So find the link below. I hope this video helps you. See you next time. Bye.